Ollie,
This
don't
is
film
Like a
me.
Dude 10, and Bradley is playing White Noise. And, right. We ended up in a small town near the park plot. I stayed in the hotel room getting the cameras ready while my pal went out to do some tape recorders in the area. It's been almost 2 hours. So here we go.
Oh god.
Brad's never played this game before, but he's about to play it. So we've got Bradley here. Are you ready, Brad? Just look for some tape recorders. I'll give you a clue. There's one there. Right. Left. Left, you fool. Right. No, 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 no. Stop doing that. Right, right. Just there. Look, see? Pick it up. If I were you, I wouldn't go to the gate. Or else something will hunt you down. Just look around, Brad. Don't keep going in the same direction. Focus on the tape recorders, not him. As you can see, it's very tense.
Shit, what was that? What was that? Oh shit!
He's there, Brad.
Ah! Run! Run!
You can run, you know.
Run! Run!
At least the sky looks nice.
Help! Help! Don't you dare laugh, I'm scared! Never played it before! Oh, thanks a lot. Yeah, cheers.
No, don't worry, I'm behind you, Brad, don't worry. As I said, just focus on the pages, not him. If you saw what you saw, can you describe it?
Well, actually no I can't. Am I going the right way?
Just go wherever you think of the page, but don't keep turning around.
Right. It was like a muscly man or something.
Yeah.
Like a muscly man.
I'll show you in a minute.
Shit, what was that? What was that? What was that? Guys! Guys got me! Oh, he's after me!
Yeah. Just run, Brad, run.
How? He doesn't like me, does he?
Look around the pillars. No, 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 don't do that, don't do that.
What?
Just don't go near that fence. It's a death trap.
Well, Ollie, have you played this before?
Yeah, played it twice.
Well, another time. Don't go near there.
No, not really. I don't really want to go there. Keep looking for them.
I've only got one.
Yeah, I know, but I've got two, so...
You've only ever
You're doing alright. No, I've got one and then I got two in the next attempt that I did.
7?
No, two. Just keep focusing on what you're doing, what you're meant to be doing. Just don't focus on him.
You know if I go into where all the trees are,
Yeah.
is that a death trap?
No, it's not a death trap, but it's probably likely to be behind all of them. He could appear right in front of you, he could appear right behind you. He could be behind you, you never know. But not without that noise, he doesn't appear, I don't think.
You know if that noise happens,
Yeah. That means he's close.
does it mean he always comes out?
Yeah.
It's like a lightning bolt.
Sort of. Can't bad. Keep going.
Ollie.
Yeah?
Oh, I think I've found a pathway.
Go down that pathway.
What do you think I'm doing? Oh shit. Where's that lead to? Oh dear.
Look in there, look in there. Oh no. It probably won't be in there, but we'll just...
What was that?
Oh shit, he's there.
Oh, he's... Sorry?
Just go. Keep going. Could be behind you, you never know.
I'm going down to the graveyard.
Probably.
Shit, what's that?
The fuck is that?
The fuck is that? What the hell is that? It's like a... Shit!
Don't go near it!
Yeah, I gathered that. It says you are dead.
What's
You
that?
know the spirit?
Hmm?
Is that...
I don't know. I didn't see it when I played it. Well, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. This is Lucky Do10, and Brad, what do you say to the people?
Play it. It's quite good.
Yeah, but didn't you think it was scary? What would you give advice? You think you'd like say it's scary, Ben? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Right. This has been Lucky Do10, and I will see you soon.